Let me ask you something. When you look at your bank account, what do you feel? Relief or stress? For many business owners, the bank balance feels like a daily report card. If it's high, you breathe easier. If it's low, that pit in your stomach starts coming up. But here's the thing. The number you see isn't the full story. In fact, it might be misleading. What really matters is the accuracy behind the number. That's what determines your true financial health and honestly your peace of mind. And today I'm going to explain why keeping your bank clean is more than just good bookkeeping. It's the secret weapon behind confident, strategic decision making. Stick with me. This could change how you run your business. Cash in the bank is the difference between missing bills and missing opportunities. It decides whether you can invest in growth, hire a new team member, or whether you're scrambling to cover payroll. So what exactly do I mean by a clean bank? It's when your accounting records, whether you're in QuickBooks Online, Xero, or anything else, matches exactly what's in your bank portal and statements. This means no discrepancies, no mystery transactions, and no what the heck is this moment at 11:30 p.m. Here's a real-world example. I worked with a client who was convinced they were running on fumes, their accounting software looked scary, but the truth is, their bank feed was full of duplicates and uncategorized entries. Once we rolled up our sleeves, reconciled everything, and cleaned up the books, they discovered that they had enough margin to hire a new salesperson. That one hire boosted their revenue by over 30% in 6 months. The bottom line, you can't make smart decisions if you don't trust your numbers. Let's talk about what I call the promised land of clean banking. When your books are reconciled, 3 magical things happen. 1, there's no duplicates. Duplicates are sneaky. They make you think you're broke, or they trick you into thinking that you're flush with cash when you're really not. That's financial sabotage. 2, no stale, uncleared transactions. Ever had a vendor that said they never got paid, but you wrote that check? Or worse, a payment that's been sitting there for 9 months? These aren't just sloppy. In some states, old uncashed checks need to be reported and turned over as unclaimed property. That's the kind of surprise no business owner wants. And 3, no guesswork. When your books match the bank, you don't need to guess anymore. You don't need to rely on your gut. You rely on data. This is where clarity lives. Clean reconciliations aren't just a bookkeeping nicety. They are what allow you to stop fearing the numbers and start using them like a GPS for your business. Here's why this should matter to you. Your bank account is the backbone of your accounting system. If it's out of alignment, everything else, payroll, bills, taxes, start to misfire. Imagine going to the doctor who takes your blood pressure and it's way off, but they use it to prescribe meds anyway. That's what happens when you're relying on financials that are built off messy bank data. When your bank is clean, reporting becomes effortless and accurate. That means you can spot trends in income and expenses, you can make accurate forecasts, and you can stop second guessing every decision. And let me say this, if your bank isn't clean, your books definitely aren't. This means your tax return might be off, your cash flow forecasts could be fiction, and your investment decisions risky. But once the bank is clean, all the pieces fall into place. And that's where we come in. At Phoenix CFO Solutions, bank reconciliations are part of the DNA of every service we offer. Here's how we keep your financials clean. We reconcile weekly, not just at month end. That means we catch issues before they snowball. We use tools like bank rules and QBO and UNCAT to streamline the process, but we never solely rely on automation. Every transaction gets a human check, categorized, coded, and clarified. We also simplify how we communicate. No confusing email threads or digging through spreadsheets. We use collaborative platforms that make it easy for you to see what's happening without taking up your time. And if something's off, we work on it quickly. And it's about giving you clean, consistent data, not just numbers or a spreadsheet, but real insight that you can act on. And let's land the plane here. A clean bank isn't just about neatness, it's about control. When you got no duplicates, no uncleared items, and no mysteries hiding in your books, you get to make decisions from a place of confidence, not chaos. Don't wait until your books are a disaster. That's like waiting until your car engine seizes up before changing the oil. Preventative care is cheaper and a lot less painful. If you want a bank that's clean, reconciled, and 100% reliable, let's make it happen. Book a free consultation, the link's in the description. We'll walk you through your current setup, identify the gaps, and get you to a path to clarity. Like this video if it helped clear things up for you. Drop a comment if you have any questions about your books, cash flow, or accounting tools. I read every one. And subscribe for practical tips to keep your business running smoothly. The best time to clean your books was yesterday. The second best time is right now. I'm Charette with Phoenix CFO Solutions, and I'm here to help your business run smoothly, calmly, and confidently. And I hope you had a great rest of your day.